Yeah! Ah! Wait a second. I can use this controller and then control the Xbox. I can control the world with this thing. These 4 letters. I am going to take over the world.